Hello and welcome back to another episode of TikTok Tech Talk, where we review a tech gadget in 60 hot seconds. Today you'll be hearing about the very luxurious and very expensive AirPods Max.
And if it was an open shut case,
I absolutely love the design. You get this gorgeous knit mesh canopy, which helps to reduce weight and pressure on the head. It's also very flexible, so it fits most head shapes. Unlike most headphones in the market that uses plastic, Apple uses stainless steel, and with the telescoping arms, it's stronger, more durable, and the position won't really shift as you're wearing it. My favorite part, however, are the ear cup cushions with memory foam because they're so soft and comfortable to use for even long periods of time. There are only two buttons, and one of them is to switch between listening modes, active noise cancelling, transparency, or neither. The other is a little bit of an Easter egg, the digital crown, which is exactly like the one on the Apple Watch. You interact with it to play, pause, skip tracks, talk to Siri, etc, etc. Sound quality. Fun fact, AirPods Max has 9 microphones on this thing, and one of them is just to detect and cancel background noise so that the speaker's voice is crisp and clear. Other features include the adaptive EQ, active noise cancelling, transparency, and the best of them all, spatial audio. Spatial audio basically uses dynamic head tracking, so it delivers a more immersive experience when you're watching a movie, and so however your head moves, you feel like you're right there in the scene. Try it with Apple TV Plus, which has Dolby Atmos content, and it'll be mind-blowing. Time's up. In a nutshell, from the design to the sound experience, everything is as expected, top-notch for everyday use. Not so much for workouts though, because the AirPods Max is not water resistant. But if you're using it for work, travel, everyday commute, it's a joy to use. I typically don't fancy over-the-ear headphones, but with the AirPods Max, because they're so comfortable and pretty lightweight for what it is, I actually don't even remember that I'm wearing them. It has great battery life too, up to 20 hours of high-fidelity audio, even with active noise cancellation turned on. According to Apple at least, I personally didn't count, but I definitely went quite a few days on and off with it. But here's the downside. Remember how I mentioned that the AirPods Max has only 2 buttons? Well, neither of them actually turns off the AirPods Max. What you need to do is use this very stylish Flappy smart case, tuck it in, and it will activate sleep mode. So you do get a very nice stylish carrier for your AirPods Max, but unfortunately you really need to use it if you want to conserve battery. Why Apple? The AirPods Max is Apple's first over-ear headphones, and besides delivering awesome sound quality and some pretty nifty smart features, aesthetics is a key element of any Apple product. It is distinctively Apple. There are 5 colors to choose from, and believe it or not, this one is actually pink, although it looks like orange to me. It's available at 2,399 ringgit, and yes, it's quite a price tag, but that's exactly what you're really paying for. Luxury at its finest. There are still a couple of interesting features about the AirPods Max, and if you would love to learn more, please check out the link below for my full review. Until next time, bye! Everything is as expected, top-notch. Is as. Why is it so hard? The AirPods Max is Apple's first over-ear headphones, and I don't... besides scary, okay. Believe it or not, pink, although it looks like orange to me, and I don't remember what, and oh, it's available. Last paragraph.